Okay, so first of all, congratulations, 3 producers, director, writer. So सबसे पहले ऋतुजा आपसे जानना चाहूँगा और आप तीनों से जानना चाहूँगा कि कैसे कोलैबोरेशन हुआ आप तीनों के बीच में, क्योंकि आप लोगों की जर्नी जैसे आपने बताया कि कॉलेज से आप लोग फ्रेंड्स हैं, कैसे सोचा कि इस तरह की फिल्म बनानी चाहिए। और जैसे शिशिर सर से अभी हमने बात की, बहुत सारे मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें, इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें सेट की बताई उन्होंने, अगर कुछ शेयर करें आप लोग कि कैसे दिमाग में आया, इफ यू कैन शेयर समथिंग अबाउट दैट।
सो बेसिकली आई आंसर फर्स्ट, यू कैन ऐड। तो जैसे आपने कहा हम कॉलेज से फ्रेंड्स हैं, ये मेरे कॉलेज में सीनियर्स थे। तो इनका तो बचपन से सपना रहा है डायरेक्शन करने का, लाइक ऑलवेज सेट की डायरेक्शन ही करना है। मुझे कॉलेज में समझा मुझे राइटिंग करना है। तो आफ्टर कॉलेज लाइक आई थिंक अराउंड प्री पैंडमिक हम लोग मिलकर अलग मतलब एक टीवी शो का स्क्रिप्ट पिच कर रहे थे। वी आर ट्राइंग, सो वी वर्कड ऑन दैट। वी एक्चुअली वर्कड ऑन 2 डिफरेंट टीवी सीरीज का पिच बाइबल्स। एंड देन बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडमिक सब एवरीथिंग वाज हेयर, आपको तो पता ही होगा। तो उसके बाद फिर 2024 में हम मुंबई आए। वी वर राइटिंग टुगेदर फॉर वन ऑफ आवर प्रोड्यूसर लाइक सुभाष सर। एंड देन सो वो लिखते लिखते फिर उनको समझा कि बिकॉज हम लोग का बैकग्राउंड वीएफएक्स का है, एनिमेशन वीएफएक्स, कॉलेज उसके लिए गए थे। तो उन्होंने हमें बोला कि वाई डोंट, अगर आपको सब अलग अलग स्किल्स आते हैं, मतलब सिनेमाटोग्राफी, डायरेक्शन, एडिटिंग, वीएफएक्स, राइटिंग, तो आप तीनों मतलब मिलके क्यों नहीं बना देते हो एक फिल्म। तो पहले तो आइडिया छोटी थी कि यूट्यूब के लिए कुछ बना देंगे ऐसे एज अ पोर्टफोलियो और समथिंग लाइक दैट। वी वर नॉट थिंकिंग ऐसे डेब्यू फिल्म होगा कुछ। एंड देन जैसे देन वी डिड नॉट इवन हैव अ स्टोरी एट दैट पॉइंट। तो फिर हम लोग बैठे, वी डिस्कस स्टोरी, and then came up Rasa. So that is actually years and years ago. Angit will be able to tell you more.
So a couple of years ago, I had this idea for about a chef who gives bliss to his diners. So this we were kind of developing between me and him. Then we kind of shelved it because we weren't sure where to take this at that point. Then we shifted to Mumbai. We met with her. Then this whole thing happened.
And
Then we thought, why not try this film? So then we took it off. Then it was started like everyone was thinking of planning it in a smaller scale, but we knew this needed a bigger scale, so we just took the risk and went with it. And we feel like it has worked out for us, and hopefully the audience also feels the same.
एंड क्या शिशिर सर पहले से दिमाग में थे कैसे कास्टिंग?
No. So we were looking out for, again, since we weren't like in that budget space to like, fish for.
हमारे दिमाग में भी यही था कि
Yeah.
कोई नोन एक्टर हमारे साथ काम करे, much less like a veteran actor.
Exactly.
So we were just looking for actors, and then we reached out, and then an agency, one of the actors' agency reached out, and they had like a list of actors in their agency, and Shishir sir was one of those actors. And the agent herself, she loved the script, so she shared it with Shishir sir, and Shishir sir, like, he told you.
Thankfully very enthusiastic. He was so kind about it. Like generally सब लोग बताते नहीं है सामने से, like when you have so much experience in the industry कि नहीं मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है, मुझे करना ही है काम. And for newcomers, like we were not expecting that at all. So he was kind enough to be so enthusiastic about it, and he said कि I understand your budget is small, लेकिन I'm really interested, like can we do something? And then we were obviously like just honored, like oh we were
And
not.
Shishir sir also technically very perfectly fit our vision
Yes.
for Anand.
That
Anant
sort of
is tall,
stature,
deep voice.
वो आवाज़ उनका गहरा
हाँ,
आवाज़, वो जो कमांड ऐसे अथॉरिटी कमांड करते हैं, मतलब दैट वाज लाइक आई रिमेंबर वी वेंट टू हिज हाउस, लाइक ही इनवाइटेड अस, लाइक कि आके मिल लो फिर देखते हैं. एंड देन वी वेंट ओवर, एंड देन आई थिंक ही वाज अ बिट सरप्राइज्ड बाय हाउ यंग वी वर. ही वाज लाइक ओह शिट, but once he was so nice, and then we started talking, and the moment he said one line, I feel like immediately we were like Anant, like we got our Anant, because like just the authority, मतलब उनका जो ऐसे एकदम गहरी आवाज़ में वो जो कोई भी बात करे ना, immediately we were like yes we have to listen to it. तो फिर वो जो एक authority आती है उनके साथ, so I think that was perfect for Anant.
Yeah.
that was
Want to know about the first shot you shot with Shishir sir, if you were nervous or how you get comfortable with him, if you can share something about that.
With Shishir sir, I believe he had done a rehearsal rather than the shot with the scene, and that nailed so perfectly that he knew we got the shot. So when we did the shot only, it didn't feel like anything because we knew Anant was there. So nervousness was not really there. Nervousness was there not with Shishir sir, but the first shot of the film. That was kind of nervous because we were running a bit late during the day, and बहुत कुछ हुआ उस दिन.
मतलब जो भी गलत हो सकता है होता है, उससे और भी होता है, बट इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ फिल्मिंग, राइट? सो लाइक बट वी लाइक
So we managed to, we
Yeah.
started shooting at around, supposed to call time was around, let's say 4 p.m. We started shooting at around 9
Yes.
p.m. at night. So then, yeah, that was kind of nervous, but we got in the flow, and since then it was fine. Very tough shoot schedule, but nervousness नहीं थे.
बट डू यू थिंक कि मतलब ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस से ही आप आगे बढ़ते हो और बहुत
Yes,
सारे एक्सपीरियंस
yes,
मतलब
yes.
ये एक्सपीरियंस के बाद फिर आप ध्यान रखोगे कि भाई
Of
अब ये
course.
गलत नहीं
हाँ,
करना
हाँ,
है.
नहीं.
Exactly.
आई मीन
Yeah, we
दो
learned a
आई
lot of
थिंक
things.
2-3 दिन लगे संभलने को, उसके बाद
Yeah.
फिर गाड़ी निकली एंड देन इट वाज लाइक फाइन. ऑफ कोर्स बिग क्रेडिट टू कास्ट एंड क्रू आल्सो, दे
Yes.
वर ऑल वेरी एंथुसियास्टिक एंड लाइक दैट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स, लाइक दैट एनर्जी. जैसे सर बता रहे थे पहले कि जो सेट पे एनर्जी है, बहुत कम लोग थे लेकिन हर एक ने 2 जनों का काम किया, जो भी इन्होंने 8-10 जनों का काम किया वो अलग बात है, बट सो ऑल ऑफ दैट हेल्प्स. लाइक वी ऑल लाइक देयर वाज अ विजन सेट और कि वही करना है, खत्म करना है, एंड एवरीबडी वाज जस्ट इन सर्विस ऑफ द स्टोरी. सो दैट वाज अ वेरी स्पेशल एनवायरनमेंट, आई वुड से, फॉर अस एटलीस्ट एज
ऑल्सो अभी शिशिर सर से जैसे बात हुआ, सर ने बोला कि दोनों एक ही है. सो एज अ राइटर मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें आपने लिखी होगी और बहुत सारी चीजें आई एम श्योर चेंजेस भी हुए होंगे. तो अगर दोनों के बारे में बताएं कि कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा प्रोफेशनली. वैसे तो आप लोग दोस्त हैं लेकिन
yes. So I think I have a different perspective on it. So I mean मैं तो उनको अभी करीब 10 साल से जानती हूँ. Like they are friends before professional this thing. And like I said कि हम लोग ने पहले भी एक साथ लिखा है, तो फिर we had a professional equation है, मतलब कि कैसे like we are very honest with each other, so that helps. And ऐसे नहीं होता कि वो दोनों भाई हैं या ट्विंस हैं तो they'll take each other's side. It's actually the opposite. They are almost never on the same side. But somehow, like Shishir sir said, it just works together as one. Matlab, they complement each other so well. So when I'm talking, I never feel like it's me versus them. It's always like, no, we are all 3 partners and everything counts. So for Rasa, I think before we started writing, like Ankit said, they had, उनके पास एक concept था जो that they were trying to first develop as a short story because of budget. And then you're like कि अगर से फीचर फिल्म में करना है तो it is a different ball game, right? तो वो करते करते before I even started writing, we had a very that's how we work at least. हमारा process होता है कि हम लोग एकदम in depth पूरा story break down करके we already know in their minds, they know कि वो edit कैसा है. And then that really helps me as a writer also because then obviously I'll take that and then add other things and वो तो normal है. But we were on the same page from the beginning.
Yeah,
So
we,
there's
when for our previous projects also, we always fix the story. Like we clean everything out.
yes.
End कैसे होना है और starting कैसे है and middle. So it should flow perfectly. And once we fix that, then we go into screenplay stage.
Yeah.
Then during that, screenplay goes fast. She wrote pretty fast.
Yeah.
The whole
Yeah.
screen.
Had to time it. So yeah, but yeah, like that really helps, that process. Like it works for the 3 of us. That helps कि clear idea है. उसके बाद then you get उस structure में you get a lot of freedom. Like as a writer मुझे बहुत freedom मिलता है कि now I know overall framework क्या है, कि इसमें फिर then I can take my time and like creative freedom कि how should the scene be, उसमें कैसा flow होना चाहिए या dialogues कैसे होने, तो फिर वो freedom मिल जाता है. But overall there is no big changes
Yeah.
that come up क्योंकि that can take time.
And whose idea was it to release the film in the theaters, not on the OTT?
All of us, we were very strong in theaters. It should release because the film is meant for theatrical view. The
The
basic,
the treatment किया ने हमने, so everything was aimed at a bigger screen experience and not a smaller screen. The performance that Shishir has given, the performance that Rishi has given, and the music that we have done, and the dialogue she has written, everything is larger than life. So larger than life needs a bigger screen. No? So especially once you go into OTT, like it's not complaining on OTT or anything, but when you go into a smaller screen, like your attention gets diverted, and you cannot get the full experience, be it sound or the visuals. So this film is designed in such a way that it will always feel better on the bigger screen.
Yeah, we just
So-
want सबको
So it was very clear to us
yeah.
from the start itself, like when we were writing the story itself, if this could happen, like we will aim, we will try for theaters. If we can get it, great. But yeah, it was always pushing for Roshan sir or Harun sir. They were always pushing for theaters. Everyone told us.
सबका सपना तो होता है obviously
Yeah.
बड़े screen का. And then like he said, both of them have said, अनंता का जो world है, हमें सबको उसमें immerse करना है. तो फिर वो बड़ी सी बड़ी screen हो, all the better. Like you can watch it on any screen, but like we really wanted a bigger screen for everyone, and then I think
Like
the
once you
viewing
hear
experience is better.
Shishir sir's voice,
Yes.
you will know.
You have to you have to hear that voice in the theater. Like it's
Yeah.
a different experience altogether.
Okay, thank you
Thank
so
you so
much,
much.
and we are excited to see the film.